Hello, welcome to my channel. Before we start, I just want to let you know that this is the video part of the series of the video training where I have been provide you training on how to build a clean, professional website. If you haven't seen those videos, number one, number two, number three, I encourage you to pause this one and go watch those videos. Those videos are going to give you a quick overview on the things and the process, how to build a website, and also help you how to choose the template and how to set up your website in the weeks. And also, most important, they give you the base knowledge to start to edit and change your template. Also, I share some information about designing and some asset information, how I create them, all of that. So I encourage you to see those videos before. But if you haven't been follow along, all the way along, and you already watched them, congratulations. We are almost get at the end. So in this video that I'm about to share with you right now, I'm going to show you how to increase the content in your website by adding a new page. Okay, so this is awesome. So if you are the first time here, also I'd like to introduce myself so you can know about me. My name is Justiniano Alves, and I am a senior software engineer, and I have been working more than a decade as a web developer and a software engineer for different organizations such as e-commerce, finance, and healthcare, and all of that. And then now I decided to share all my experience, all my knowledge that I learned throughout the years with you all. Okay? So let's start. I'm gonna share my computer with you so you can follow me along. Okay? Let's go here. Okay, good. So as I showed you before, on the weeks when you log in, it takes you always to the dashboard, the main dashboard where you have a website. But if you want to edit, you just click here and you say edit website. Okay? So if you watch those videos that we did before, you know that we have made a huge progress. Okay? So as you see, this website, especially the home page, look nice and clean. And then you have here all the service, and you have somehow to get in touch with me with a question, something like that. Okay, and also the most important, on the home page I display all the service. And I just want to let you know about one thing: Facebook Live question and answer. If during the stream you have like general question, you can request me a Facebook Live, and we will do a live stream where I'm gonna answer all your question or anyone other question, like general question. But if you want something deeply and you want me to fix problem for you, you have to request one-on-one meeting, because that's something more specific to you and it's more technical. So I think the best way to do that, just you and I one-on-one call. Okay? So today I'm gonna just create one page. I'm gonna just call the page like class or content, where I want to share some content, like public content, with my visitors. So you can, like those trends that I have in YouTube. On YouTube, you can upload documentation there. Okay, but if I have some documentation, some presentation for the trend, so you can follow up along, I want to be able to share that with you. Okay, so now I'm gonna create this page. And most importantly, you will learn how to add a new page on the Wix. Also, one thing, I just want to make a pause here. If you plan to build a website, I hope all the way along you will be building your website at the same time you watch this training. I think that's the best way. For each video that I'm doing, trying to do something on your own website. So at the end, for example, next video, I'm going to talk about search engines. And not just talk, I'm going to do the actual work. But if you already have your website, you can do actual work on your website at the same time you are watching this video. So that's like, in one time you will do both training and all you will do productive work. Okay? So let's add this new page. To add the new page, let's go back to the editor. I was in the preview mode. you go here on the page, and then in the manager page windows pop up. We have a home, contacts, and programs. Actually, the only page that we have is the homes. The programs, the contact are a section on this page, and the way that I access them, instead of add the page, you do like you add a link, okay? But then also, if you want to, for example, create some hierarchy in terms of the navigation, how your URL is gonna look like, you can add a folder, and inside the folder you add a page, okay? So I think what I'm gonna be doing right now here, I'm gonna add a new page just where I'm gonna have I'm gonna share some content with you, okay? And this page I'm gonna call contents, okay? I'm gonna call this page contents, okay? And since I like have the all uppercase, I'm gonna change the name of this page. Also, you know how to do that. Program. And then you have a contact us. Contact. I like have all of them uppercase. So you have home. Awesome. Okay. And then I want to organize my page. Home content. I want the content to come after program. Okay, that's where I want the content. So okay, so you add this page, but this page doesn't have nothing. One thing that I don't want this background. Okay, I want to change it. So the way you change, you just click change the background. I don't want an image. I just want like some color. I'm gonna just put it there. Okay, just have the color. Also, one thing, so I create this page, and when you create page, it doesn't come right away like a blank page. It takes some advantage of the work you already did. Like for example, it used the same layout and the order page. It comes with a header with all the navigation, and also it comes with a footer with all the contact information, which is great. You don't have to do all of them. You get that by default when you create a new page. So like I said, this page, I want to have this page to be able to share some content like file, document, or image, whatever the content that I cannot share on the YouTube where I have this training. But if I want to be able to share those content with those is volunteers train along. So one thing that I'm a base platform where you can plug in different type of the app based on your needs. Okay, so for me, I want to add an app that allow me to share those files. So you come in here this section, add an app, and then you're gonna search for file share app. Okay, file share app, and then there's a lot of different based on what you need. But for me right now, I'm gonna use the Wix file share. It's free, it's great, and I love it. And then I'm gonna use that for this project. And for I might add another different file share, but for right now, this is a good way to go, and I like it. So they just add it. Okay, just add a Wix file share. It just basically I'm enable this app on my website. That's how it work. Okay. So this is cool. Okay. Okay, so this is how it look like by default. So let's see what's happening here. Login bar. I don't want to log in, but I will take care of that later. Okay, I understand that because, like I say, you have the option for this content to be secured. What I mean by that, only when you are authenticate, you will be able to see you will be able to see those information. And also, you don't want anyone to be upload things on your website. That's why you need some type of the membership. And when you enable this app, automatically it enable the login and the authentication option for you. Okay. So one thing that I want to do here, I don't like this theme, this color, and also is different for those that we have on the website. So let's change it. So you see, here's the design. Okay. Oh, sorry. Here's the settings, And the settings, let's go and see where we can customize this a little bit. Only member only can download those files. That's why you have a membership or enabled right away when you enable this app. So display, let's see what is the information that we display. Okay, that's okay. And design, let's say the folder, the icon I like, but the color, that's not I want. I want the color to match my theme that I have for the website. The bottom, don't want this color. It has to be purple because that's that's my theme color. Bottom text, that's okay. And the paragraph, and then I have to change this because I'm gonna use my theme, my font style that I create. Let's go with the medium. Okay, good. Okay, that looks good. What else? I think that's pretty much. And then let's see background. It's okay. What about the background? No problem with that. So the item name, let's see where we have item name out. Of course, I want to use my one style. I'm gonna use the regular one here. Okay, title, all of that. Have to change this. I want to use my, okay, good. Things just change way along very well. Use my theme. I just want to use regular here. Okay, let's see. Okay, it seems all good here now, so I'm gonna just close it. I think that title here, I need to change share, add and file. Let's see where that table button action. Let's see what I have here. That's okay. Okay, go back. Yeah, I want to change the share, add and file font style, but I can do that in another section. Let's see what we have here. That's okay. Oh, awesome. All of that. Okay. That's good. Okay, good. So now you just click preview, and then when you click preview, you can just click add file. Then I'm gonna just select one file and add that here just to confirm its work. So okay, let's see. Awesome, it just worked. And one thing also, you want to be organized. For me, when I'm gonna actually add a file to this page, I'm gonna just go and then just create here build website, and then inside that folder I'm gonna create each folder. Like for example, the first one is the setup, okay, and I'm gonna create each folder for each training, okay, and then inside the folder I will upload the content that I have to share. Okay, that's awesome. But one thing that I want to share with you here, I start creating my specific page, my page to add this application. But this application, when you add that to your website, it will create a page automatically for you, so you don't have to create a page. I want to just one point color out because you see the file share, it created that page automatically for me. So actually, let's manage this. So we no longer need the content because the content is that's not where the file share is gonna be located. So what you do, you come to the file share and you rename that as a content. Okay, awesome. Yes, and then you save everything and then you preview. Okay, that's awesome. And then, so in this page, I will keep adding more content and more document as I have it all the way along. And one thing you see here is the members, which is the member page, where you will see information about the, like example, you see about me as admin that I'm authenticate. But then this one you don't want to show up. It doesn't make any sense. What you will have to do, you come in here and the member in the manager section for the members page, you say you don't have to appear on the menu navigation. Okay, then you click save. Then you click preview. Awesome. That's amazing. Okay, good. So I hope you like this video and you learn a little bit how to increase the content and the page to your website. So in the next video, I'm gonna talk to you about the search engines optimization, which is what are gonna help you, your website to be easily found on a network based on the search content that I'm gonna show you and how you update the website. So thank you so much for being with me. If you like this video, please thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel so you will receive the notification as I share content like this. Okay? Thank you so much, and it's my pleasure for you to be here with me and learn more how to build a website. See you in the next video.